Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening Photos and finding the image you want to search. Make sure iOS is reasonably up to date so live text and visual lookup are available. Once the photo is open, look for the Info I button or a small icon that indicates visual lookup. Tap it to reveal searchable elements. You do this because iPhone analyzes the image locally, extracting objects, text, and scenes so the next steps produce useful, context-aware results. Now use visual lookup or live text depending on what the iPhone detected. If the phone highlights an object or scene, tap that highlight to show web results and related images. If text is present, touch and drag to select words, then choose Search, Copy, or Translate. This integrates with Safari and other apps. Make sure to scroll results and tap any web or image result to inspect sources. This layered approach helps you refine what you want to find and why the results matter. To finish, open the most relevant result in Safari or share it to notes or messages for later. Save images or bookmark pages if you need to reference them. If results are missing or incorrect, make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is on, check settings Siri and search visual lookup, and confirm iOS is updated. Sometimes restarting Photos or the iPhone forces a fresh analysis. If problems persist, retry with a clearer photo or different angle to improve recognition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.